Introduction. Welcome to the vibrant city of Mississauga, nestled in the heart of Ontario, Canada. As we embark on a journey through its rich history, we will explore the cultural evolution that has shaped this diverse community. One aspect that has significantly contributed to the city's cultural mosaic is its culinary scene, with a particular focus on the thriving halal food industry. Join us as we unravel the story of Mississauga, from its indigenous roots to its modern-day status as a multicultural hub, with a special spotlight on the delectable world of halal cuisine. Indigenous roots and early settlements, pre-1800s. Long before the arrival of European settlers, the Mississauga area was inhabited by indigenous peoples, including the Anishinaabe and Haudenosaunee nations. These communities thrived on the bountiful resources provided by the Credit River and the surrounding lands. The arrival of French explorers and British colonialists in the 17th and 18th centuries marked the beginning of significant changes to the region's landscape. Pioneer days and agricultural roots, 1800s–1900s. The 19th century saw the establishment of early pioneer communities, with agriculture playing a vital role in shaping Mississauga's identity. Small villages emerged, such as Clarkson, Streetsville, and Port Credit, each contributing to the area's economic and social fabric. As the Canadian Pacific Railway connected these communities, Mississauga became a crucial transportation hub, fostering growth and development. Suburban expansion and multicultural influx, mid-20th century. The mid-20th century brought about significant suburban development, transforming Mississauga into a bustling city. The completion of the Queen Elizabeth Way and Highway 403 facilitated easier access to Toronto and contributed to the city's growth. The influx of immigrants from various cultural backgrounds added a vibrant and diverse dimension to Mississauga's population. Emergence of halal cuisine in Mississauga, late 20th century. As Mississauga embraced cultural diversity, its culinary scene began to reflect the multicultural makeup of the community. The late 20th century witnessed the emergence of halal cuisine, catering to the growing Muslim population. The first halal restaurants and grocery stores started to appear, offering a range of options for residents seeking halal-certified foods. The global flavors of Mississauga, late 20th century, early 21st century. As the city continued to grow, so did its culinary landscape. Mississauga became a melting pot of global flavors, with restaurants offering cuisines from around the world. Halal options expanded, reflecting the city's commitment to inclusivity and catering to the diverse tastes of its residents. The culinary scene became a cultural bridge, connecting people through their shared love of food. Economic growth and urban development, 21st century. The 21st century marked a period of economic growth and urban development for Mississauga. The city's skyline transformed with the addition of iconic buildings, and its reputation as a major business and technology hub solidified. With this growth came an increased demand for diverse dining experiences, leading to a further expansion of the halal food industry. Halal dining destinations in Mississauga. Streetsville, a historic haven for halal eateries, explore the quaint streets of Streetsville, where historic charm meets modern halal dining. Discover local favorites and hidden gems that have become staples in the halal culinary scene. Port Credit waterfront views and halal delights. Indulge in the scenic beauty of Port Credit while savoring halal options along the waterfront. From casual cafes to upscale dining, Port Credit offers a diverse range of halal culinary experiences. Square One area urban dining and halal fusion. Dive into the bustling urban atmosphere around Square One, where a fusion of halal flavors awaits. Explore the diverse range of restaurants that cater to different palates and preferences. Conclusion. Mississauga's journey from its indigenous roots to its present-day status as a thriving, multicultural city has been a tale of growth, diversity, and inclusion. The evolution of its culinary scene, with a special emphasis on halal cuisine, reflects the city's commitment to embracing and celebrating its multicultural identity. As we conclude our exploration, we invite you to savor the flavors of Mississauga, where history and halal delights come together to create a unique and vibrant tapestry of culture.